Hello students, now we are going to see value based questions. Okay, first, Sukhdev, a farmer, had a son and a daughter. He decided to divide his property among his children. He gave 2/5 of the property to his son and 4 upon 10 to his daughter and rest to a charitable trust. Whose share, so what is the question? Whose share was more, sons or daughter? So we have to tell which share was more. And second question, what do you feel about Sukhdev's decision? Which values are exhibited here? So first we'll find the first question. From that we will know what are the values and what we think about Sukhdev's decision. Okay. So first we have to find whose share was more, sons or daughters. Okay. So according to the question, what was son's share? Okay, we will write the son's share. It was 2 upon 5. Okay, and daughter's share. Daughter's share was 4 upon 10. Right? Now, here see, both are prime numbers we cannot reduce. Here 4 upon 10, these both numbers go in 2 table. So, we have to reduce this number. So, keeping 2 in mind, I will say 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. What I got? 2 upon 5. So, this was the real daughter's share. So, if we see both the shares were same, 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5. This means Sukhdev he has shared the property equally among his son and daughter. Okay, so this is the first A answer, 2 upon 4. So, what is the answer? Both had equal share. Both had equal share. Okay, this is the first one answer. Now, next question was, this was A. Now B. Second question was, what do you feel about Sukhdev's decision? So, he had a son, he had a daughter, 2 child. So, what he did, he gave them equal share. So, it was a very fair decision. He didn't make like he is a son, so give him more. Okay, he made a fair decision. So, what I feel about Sukhdev's decision was, it was a fair decision. Okay, he was not partial. Okay, he was not partial. Next, continued question, which values are exhibited here? So first value we can see that he has shared it what equally, he has given the shares equally. So first quality we will see here is equality. Okay, equality. Second, we can say kindness. He was kind towards both of them. Okay, equality, kindness. We can also give empathy. What is empathy? Thinking of other person. Okay. Next question, second one. Kavita along with her family was planning a vacation at a hill station, but they were confused where to go. Kavita's mother asked her to find out the maximum temperature of few hill stations for deciding on the place to visit. She checked the weather report on the internet and found out that Simla's temperature was -7 upon 2 degrees Celsius, Dalhouse's temperature was -5 degrees Celsius, and Manali's temperature was -8 upon 5 degrees Celsius. So what we have to find first, arrange the temperatures of these hill stations in ascending order, smaller to bigger. Second, which place will they decide to visit? So according to the temperature which is suitable for them, they will decide. So first we have to find the order, which ascending order we have to find. What value is exhibited in the above situation? Okay, so let's see. First question, we have to arrange this in ascending order. Okay, so what are the temperatures? So I'm writing second A, we are solving. Okay, so the temperatures were -7 upon 2, -5 and -8 upon 5, right? So we have to arrange this in ascending order. So first of all we have to find what? LCM. Denominator we have to equalize. Now here there is no denominator, so we consider it as 1 only. So what we have? 2 and 5. So 2 ones are 5 comes down, 5 ones are. So 2 5s is 10. 10 is the LCM. So minus 7 upon 2 I wrote. Okay. 2 how much are? 10. 2 5s are 10. So down and multiply by 5, up also I will multiply by 5. Next 5 upon 1. Here also we require all the denominators with same LCM. So 1 into how much? 10. 1 into 10, 10. So up also we will multiply by 10. Next comes minus 8 upon 5. 5 how much are 10? 5 2s are. So up also will multiply by 2. So 7 5s is 35 upon 2 5s are 10 and minus sign comes. 5 10s are 50 minus sign and 1 10s is 10. 8 2s is 16 minus sign and 10. So these temperatures we got. Now we are going to arrange it ascending order, smaller to bigger. Okay, now first if we see we have minus sign over here, all the numbers are negative. So in negative, the bigger the number, it is of smaller value. Okay, so in this 35 50 and 16, if you see 50 is bigger but it has a negative sign, so here 50 becomes of smallest value, so this number is smallest. Okay, so I will write minus 50 upon 10. Next 35 will come and I will put this sign, sorry, okay, less than. Then I will put 35 upon 10 and less than 16 up minus 16 upon 10. Okay, now here minus 50 upon 10 is where they here. So right above that we have which number? Minus 5. Okay, is less than minus 35 upon 10 is where here. So above that minus 7 upon 2, less than minus 16 upon 10 is here only. So above that we have minus 8 upon 5. Okay, so this 5, so finally what we have, that minus 5 degrees Celsius is less than minus 7 upon 2 degrees Celsius is less than minus 8 upon 5 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is the first, second A answer. We have arranged this in ascending order. So this is the lowest temperature, then and this is the highest among this, highest temperature. So what do you think, which place will they decide to visit? So they will decide to visit minus 8. So minus 8 is the temperature of which place? Manali. So B, what is the answer of B? Which place they will decide to visit? Manali. Okay. Next, C. Third question was, which value is exhibited in the above situation? In the above situation, they were planning, they had to go, okay, on a vacation. So they were planning about the temperature and all that. Okay, so what value? So this is what decision making key. We have 3 options, from that which one we have to decide where to go, which is the best one to go. Okay, so they have the value of decision making. Okay, so we finished value based questions.